Hey everybody, Lisa here. Just want to show you a quick way we are now able in D2L to set accommodation times when we need to extend quiz or exam times for students. We now have a way that we can extend those times as doing it only once, and we're going to do this by using the roster tool. So in D2L, you can come over to the tools menu and select the drop down for tools, and at the bottom select your roster tool. Once you open up the roster, you're going to search through the roster for the student that you want to give this accommodation to. Here, we're going to come over here. You're going to find the student's name and then click the drop-down menu next to their name. Once you open up the drop-down menu, you'll see Edit Accommodations down at the bottom. Don't click on their name. You want to make sure you click on the drop-down menu, then Edit Accommodations. A pop-up window shows up, and here you select Modify Time Limit. The first choice you have is to modify the multiplication factor like we see in their accommodation letters. So if I want to change that to a 1.5, I can go ahead and change that to 1.5 or 1.5 times the actual quiz time that I've already given. Or if for some reason I'm just extending 10 minutes or 5 minutes, that sort of thing, I can do that at the bottom as well. Most of us are simply just going to use the multiple of existing quiz time. Select Save, and now their quiz time has been multiplied by that factor for every single quiz and exam that is available to them in D2L. You can check on this by going to the quiz and test menu, select one of the quizzes. I'm going to select here quiz 3 because I know that's a timed quiz. Go ahead and select on the quiz and select restrictions. Scroll down to the bottom where you would normally do this on an individual basis. You'll see they're not listed there, but if you select add users to special access, as you scroll down, you find that same student. We selected Misha. Misha now has 1.5 times the normal quiz time, which for a 14-minute quiz is now 21 minutes. So now we're able to change the quiz time for students without having to do it for each individual quiz or exam at once. We can do it all at once in the roster tool. It sets it for all their quizzes and exams. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope this makes lives a lot easier.